So as a microphone back with another Happy Wheels episode, and let's just get straight into it. Helicopter guy, helicopter guy, helicopter guy, helicopter guy, helicopter guy, helicopter. Wow, it's broken again. It's broken again. Wow. I am so glad Christmas is tomorrow because I'm getting something way better. I hate adverts. No one cares about Ribena. Then I have to wait like 10 minutes for it to load. So once as soon as the user level browsers are working, then I guess I'm gonna have to do on this one. It's gonna be a next part. So this one's it. That's it. That's light doing flips. I know I'm going to die. No! Ah, lol. Oh dear, that might be a bit of an issue. Yeah, I'm so glad it's Christmas tomorrow, because then the stupid computer, I will not have to do my videos anymore. I bet you I've missed it. I made it! Oh, okay. Well, okay. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna go on this one. I'm gonna go on more Polish as well. Because it's so awesome! Lol. No, you can get lost. No!
Oh, God!
Oh, what's the matter with me? Oh, yeah, my insides got ripped out. Well, I'm gonna restart. Oh my god! No!
Damn it!
Oh dear, my son seems to be a bit dead. Hey, yeah, that doesn't seem very nice. Oh, shit. Oh, crap. Oh, wow. Well, got that far. Let's restart, baby. Last go, I'm gonna have it this. Lol, you lost everything, John. Why could you just not have listened to me? Wah! Brian! How am I still alive? Not that I won't complain, but lol, now let's go. Let's go. Only one day till Christmas. Just one day till Christmas. One day till Christmas. Just one more day to Christmas. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much, son. Thank you. I have made it. Thank you, son. Thank you. And the next one. No, I do believe I'm meant to be going up right now. No rush. Play. Sorry. Move, you little shits. Damn, picture. Oh dear. Oh well. It's interesting. Love your little as the boss. Bang, 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 bang. Nope, no, no, no. Screw this, screw this. I can make it on my own, fools. I don't need you. I don't need. No, 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 no. Oh, crap. Oh, no, no. How can he hang? Lol, 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 lol. See, I knew his weight would bring it down. So one second. And I made it. Let's view that replay. Took me about 500 goes, but there it is. 10 miles new what? How's it going? They're like really fast. It's like, we're on steroids. And I went a bit high. Got all the stuff I had to do now, and I was going pretty fast as well. Well, kick. Never. And you just made that one. Just tiptoe. You should know what to do here. And then, Merry Christmas. And that's that. And this is this episode. So. See you guys, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me on Twitter. Basically it's Isaac Minecraft 1. See you later guys, Isaac Minecraft 1. Out.